Good morning, KGs, and welcome to our online learning class. So today, we are going to have our general knowledge class, and our lesson is all about the sound of the letter L. Our objectives are the following: review objects found in the sky, identify objects that begin with the L sound, and the last one, value cleanliness by keeping our surroundings clean. So we need the following materials: your Pockets textbook, your Pockets workbook, and your pencil. We also need your scissors and a glue. So let's begin our lesson by reviewing our past lesson. So last time, we discussed about the night sky and the day sky. Let us identify the objects that can be seen during the day sky and night sky. So the first one is the rainbow. Very good. This is a rainbow. How many colors does the rainbow have? Very good. It has 7 colors. It has the red, the orange, the yellow, the green, the blue, the indigo, and the violet. Next, we also have the stars. Very good. The stars are seen in the night sky. And of course, the moon. We also have the sun. Do you see the sun in the night sky? No. The sun is seen in the day sky. And the next one is the lightning. Very good. That is a lightning or a lightning bolt. And the last one is clouds. Very good. The clouds are like cottons in the sky. Sometimes they are white and sometimes they are gray. They are gray, especially if it is very good, if it's a rainy day. Now, let's go to our lesson. I would like you to look at these pictures. Let's name these pictures. The first one is a leaf. Very good. This is a leaf. The other one is a lizard. Everyone say lizard. And the last one is ladder. Let's repeat. Leaf, lizard, ladder. Now, what do you notice with these pictures? What is the beginning sound and the beginning letter of these pictures? Leaf, lizard, ladder. Very good. The beginning sound of these pictures is the sound of the letter L. So when we say the sound of the letter L, we say L. Everyone, let's repeat. Say L. So that is the sound of the letter L. Now let's take a look at other examples of objects that begin with the sound of the letter L. Who can tell me what is this? Very good. This is a lemon. Say lemon. Lemon begins with the sound of the letter L. Next one. Lamp. Lamp. Does it begin with the sound of the letter L? Good job. And the next one, we have the light bulb. Everyone say light bulb. Does the word light bulb begin with the sound of the letter L? Yes, that's correct. Next one, we have your lips. Lips. Does it begin with the sound of the letter L? Very good. And the next one, we have lime. Lime. Do you hear the sound of L in the word lime? Very good. And the last one, we have your leg. Leg. Does the word leg also have the sound of the letter L? Good job. So let's review some objects or these objects that have the sound of the letter L. Let's start with lemon. L. Lemon. Lamp. Lamp. L. Light bulb. Light bulb. L. Lips. Lips. Lime. Lime. And the last one is leg. Leg. So, what's the beginning sound of these words? Very good. It's the L sound, or the sound of the letter L. Now this time, let's have an activity. I am going to show you some pictures and tell me the beginning sound or the beginning letter of these pictures. Are you ready? So the first picture is lock. Lock. What is the beginning sound of the word lock? Very good. It's the sound of L, or sound of the letter L. Next, monkey. Monkey. What's the beginning sound of monkey? It's the M, or the sound of the letter M. Next, sandwich. Sandwich. What's the beginning sound of sandwich? Very good. It's the S sound, or the sound of the letter L. Next, we have your flower. Flower. Very good. That is the flower. Now, what's the beginning sound of flower? It's the F sound, or the sound of the letter F. Next, we have your sandcastle. Sandcastle. So, the beginning sound of sandcastle is S, or the sound of the letter S. Okay, next. Lime. Lime. What's the beginning sound of lime? Very good. It's the L sound, or the sound of the letter L. Next, we have farmer. Farmer. What's the beginning sound of a farmer? Very good. It's the F sound, or the sound of the letter F. And the last one, we have money. Money. So what's the beginning sound of money? Very good. It's the M sound, or the sound of the letter M. Very good. Let's all repeat it. Say lock. Lock. Monkey. Monkey. Sandwich. Flower. Sandcastle. Lime. Farmer. Money. Good job, Cages. Now this time we will have your classwork. So, I'd like you to open your Pockets textbook and bring out your pencils. Now, open your Pockets textbook on page 102. Now, I want you to hold your pencil. I want you to trace the letter. What letter is this? Very good. It's the letter L. When you trace, you have to trace it properly. Now, what are the objects that begin with the letter L? We have your lamp, lion, lollipop, and lemonade. So, I want you to trace the letter L, the big letter L, and the small letter L. Also, trace this letter. Next, I'd like you to open or turn your book on page 103. Still hold your pencil. Now look at this letter. What letter is this? It is the letter M. Now first, I'd like you to trace the letter M. Again, when you trace, you have to trace properly. Okay, now, what animal is this? Very good. This is a mouse. Okay, a mouse or the word mouse begins with the letter M or with the sound of M, which is the M. Now, think of another object that has the beginning sound of M. What other objects begin with the sound of M or begins with the letter M? So, draw the object here. Example, money. Money begins with the sound of the letter M, which is the M sound. So, let's say this is money, 1 real. Next, what letter is this? Very good. This is the letter S. And the letter S has the sound of S. Sandwich begins with the sound of the letter S. Now, think of another object that begins with the letter S. And I want you to draw it here. Next one, what letter is this? It's the letter L. Good. And this is a lion. Now, think of another object that begins with the letter L and draw the object here. And the last one, we have the letter F. And this is a family. A family consists of father, mother, brother, sister, and a baby. Now, think of another object that begins with the letter F. Good job, Cages. Now, this time, open your book or turn your book on page 104. Now, look at this picture. Look at the sky in this picture. Do you see something in the sky? No. That is why this time, I would like you to get a scissors and a glue. And on page 125, so this is page 125 at the back of your book, you see objects that can be found in the sky. So we have the stars, the sun, the lightning, the moon, the rainbow, and the clouds. What I want you to do is to cut pictures from page 125 and put it on the page 104. But before you cut the pictures, decide first, what sky do you want to see? Do you want to see the day sky or the night sky? If you want to see the day sky, just cut pictures that can be seen in the day sky. If you want to see the night sky, cut and paste the pictures that can be seen in the night sky. Did you understand? Now, remember, since you are going to use scissors, I want you to ask the help of your mom or your dad in cutting the pictures. Now, this time, I would like you to open your pockets and your pencil. Now open it on page 70. Ready? Now, I'm going to say the names of these pictures and match items that begin with the same sound. Take note, the same sound, the beginning sound are the same. For example, we have the lion. This is a lion. What object below begins with the lion? Is sandwich begins with L, the same as the lion? Does it begin with L? No. Does the word lion begin with the word lamp? Yes, very good. So, we are going to match the lion and the lamp. Next, the farmer. Farmer begins with the sound of the letter F, which is the F sound. So look for objects below that begin with the F sound. Is it the sandwich, mouse, or fish? Next, sun. Sun. The word sun begins with the sound of the letter S, which is the S sound. So which objects below begin with the S sound? Next, we have the moon. Moon. The word moon begins with M, or the sound of the letter M. Which objects below begin with the sound of the letter M? Good job, Cages. Now, turn your book on page 71. Now, let's match and trace. Then circle the item that begins with the same sound. For example, what letter is this? It is the letter L. And the sound of the letter L is L. Now, this is the small letter L. And let's match it with the big letter L. So, this is the big letter L. Now, look at the pictures beside the letter L. The sandwich and the lion. Which of these two objects begin with the L sound? The sandwich or the lion? Very good. It is the lion. So, we will circle the lion. Next, let's have the letter F. F. And the sound of the letter F is F. Very good. Now, where is the letter F? Is this the letter F? No. The letter F is here. So, this is the letter F, the big letter F. Now, listen to the names of these objects. Farmer, moon. Which of these two objects begin with the F sound? Circle your answer. Next, we have the letter M. Match the small letter M to the big letter M. And then, the objects are mouse and the lime juice. So, which of these two objects begin with the M sound? And the last one, this is the small letter S. Very good. And the big letter S, let's match it. Good. Now, look at the objects. The objects are fish and seal. Which of these two objects begin with the sound of the letter S? Is it the fish or the seal? Good job, Cages. Now this time, turn your book on page 72. Now look at the girl. What is the girl trying to do? Very good. The girl is trying to pick the trash. And where do you think will the girl put the trash? In the trash bin. Very good. The girl is trying to pick the trash and she will place it on the trash bin. Now, why do you think the girl would like to pick the trash? Very good. Because the girl wants to see clean surrounding. Do you also like to see a clean surrounding? Yes, everybody wants to see a clean surrounding. So, for us to have a clean surrounding, what shall you do? Very good. You should pick up your trash and throw your trash in the trash bin. And also, you have to fix your things properly. Very good, KGs. Now, let's help the girl pick up all the trash. So, we're going to put the line from the trash going to the trash bin. So, the trash going to the trash bin. Very good, KGs. Well done. So, that's it for today. Thank you for listening and see you tomorrow, KGs.